President, Reverend Father Ronald D. Carnagan, to our incoming school president, Reverend Father Ronilo D. Ordinas, SVD, DMD, RN, Math, PhD. To our school principal, Ma'am Sidra Ardina. To our academic dean, Dr. Marbel Tordosa. And of course, to our honored guest speaker, Mr. Ruslan Torano Philippine. Fellow graduates, teachers, parents, and guests, a pleasant evening to all. Today is the moment to celebrate the moment we've been waiting for years. But before I start, may I ask some question? Students, kamusta ang naging term nyo? Mahirap ba? Nakakapagod ba? For me, oo, sobra. Until now, I can't help but remember. Sa dami ng strand, bakit kaya STEM ang napili ko? May gas naman para sa undecided. May ATM pa, which fits my dream of working in an office. But then, God made me realize that no matter what we want, things will only happen kung yun ang plano niya. Gets nyo? He placed me in STEM not just for academics, but to experience mistake, hardship, sacrifices, and even failure. To shape the person speaking in front of you today. Hindi lahat ng gusto natin mangyayari the way na gusto natin. Just go with the flow of your life, and before you know it, you'll end up exactly where a place is far better than what you imagine. Success isn't just achieving something. It isn't just all about achievements. It is also about growth and learning something. Just what Aristotle said nga in his concept of teleology, everything has a purpose. Walang ibibigay sa inyo ang Diyos na isang bagay na hindi nyo kaya. Now, I would like to share a Bible verse that have been my motivation until now. The Romans chapter 8, verse 18. The pain that you've been feeling can't compare to the joy that's coming. Kung iisipin natin, parang kailan lang, kanya-kanya tayo naging ng mga kung ano-ano school activities, showing how tired and stressed we are, to the point na wala nang uwian sa bahay, may mga magdamaga na sa bahay ng kaklase, mga puyat at walang tulog buong gabi. May mga amputla na at may nilagnat pa. Pero ngayon, ang imamanday na ay ang mga certificates and medal with the caption, sumakses na ang EABAG na ito. Oo, mahirap talaga ang step-by-step process bago ka sumakses. Oo, nahirapan ako. Naalala ko, nakakaiyak-iyak pa ako sa mama ko. Nakakaiyak-chat pa ako kay Jaja, kay Odette. Sa mga kaklase ko na, ang hirap naman ito, pwede ba sumuko na lang. May one time pa, hindi ako naka-exam kasi nagkasakit ako. And ang lala ko kasi during those time, may sakit na ako lahat, ang nasa isip ko pa rin ay ang grades. You know why? I was scared of what people might think and say about me. At yun, ang pagkakamali ko. Kasi simula nang mabuhay ako sa expectation ng iba, the more I lost myself. The more I doubt myself. The more I question myself, bakit ba ganito? Hanggang ganito na lang ba kaya ko? Pero buti na lang, God gave me these people who never failed to remind me that I am me. Na ako si Ellie, patuloy na kakayanin ang isang bagay kahit gaano pa yan kahirap. To those person, myself 12A, my advisor Sir Dave Pita, to my teachers, family, and friends, to Miss Rosalie Villaflores, and most especially to my parents, Mary and Edwin Barretos. And to this graduating batch of 2025, each of you, thank you for being part of my journey. You played an important role of shaping who I am today. But above all, I would like to give my deepest gratitude to God who never stopped guiding me. In this kind of situation, don't give up easily. Kung pagod ka, magpahinga ka. Giving up was never an option and never include it in your option. Kaya mo yan. Hindi lang kasi pinakaya mo. Dahil kaya mo talaga, dahil may ganito ka. As we step into a bigger world, let us not forget the experiences of struggles and challenges that molded us here in Colegio de San Sebastian. Kung ano man ang haharapin natin in our next journey as a college, remember to focus on your goal, on yourself, and to God. Hindi lang natin ito kakayanin, kasi kaya talaga natin dahil meron tayo nito. Kayo nga grade 12, kaya ko kasi meron ako nito. Kaya ko kasi meron ako nito. At kinaya nyo kasi meron kayo niya. Congratulations, Batch 2025.